Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix card decline on PayMaya or GCash. In order to resolve a card decline error on PayMaya or GCash, first of all you have to ensure your card is active and unlocked and that you have a sufficient fund for your transactions. So be sure to check your card status, ensure your Maya card is active and unlocked within the app. And the next thing what you also want to do is review a transaction limit and ensure that you have not exceeded them as well. After which you could also go ahead and double check the CVV as well as PIN, and if necessary update them in the app under the card security as well. And for online transaction, you want to ensure you have a stable internet connection and that you've not disabled online payment or set limit to 0 on the app itself. And if the issue still persists on, you would contact Maya support for the app on their website as well. So these are some of the ways to fix your card decline on Maya or PayMaya or GCash. So that's the way you could fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.